Hey guys, you know what? Most real estate investors or wholesalers right now are actually having problem finding buyers for the deals that they do have under contract. So for today, let me show you a hack that my team is actually using to be able to find buyers on different Facebook groups. So now that you're on Facebook, just go to the search bar and actually type in cash buyer and then plus your market, or you can actually just use this actual group, Cash Buyers JV Deals, and this is actually one of the most used groups for different real estate buyers. And here on the search bar, just type in @gmail.com. So that's @gmail.com, and then you'd be surprised that all of the emails will actually come up for you to scrape and add it to your cash buyers list. So here you can see that we have a buyer for Alexandria, Virginia that just commented on this post, and you can now add this person to your cash buyers list. Hope this helps, and if you think that this adds value to your business, please like and also follow for more updates.